Hi, Dave here for Corrigan Corporation with an overview of our TrialBreeze activated oxygen technology that provides a natural and chemical-free disinfection with no maintenance. Activated oxygen is an existing technology. However, with customer demand for organic and chemical-free options, supermarkets are turning to the FDA-approved TrialBreeze technology as a safer, more effective, and budget-friendly alternative to chlorine-based solutions. This is a marketable difference for today's educated consumer. Designed and manufactured right here in the United States, Corrigan's TrialBreeze system operates with a relatively simple process using ordinary air. Oxygen is the raw material. As a gas, it has the penetration capacity that liquids do not possess. As the air is drawn through the reaction chamber, energy is supplied, splitting some of the oxygen molecules into oxygen atoms. These oxygen atoms then quickly react with oxygen molecules to form activated oxygen. These O3 atoms are extremely effective at destroying the protective outside layers and replication capacities of harmful pathogens. They then convert back to O2, leaving no toxic residues. The process is really that simple and effective. TrialBreeze is available for use with Corrigan's UltraMist, Vapor Plus, and Vapor Dry systems. When used with UltraMist, TrialBreeze sanitizes the mist bar, nozzles, and drain lines. The precise amount of O3 is metered for the correct duration to effectively sanitize the system, and is typically programmed for just 2 minutes in the middle of the night or early morning hours. TrialBreeze is residue-free and does not require expensive chemicals. TrialBreeze is the natural and safe way to kill bacteria in seafood cases. Easily added to the Vapor Plus system, Corrigan's TrialBreeze produces activated oxygen fog to extend product life, keep cases cleaner, and reduce odors. For large space disinfection, TrialBreeze can be added to Corrigan's Vapor Dry humidity systems. Both proper humidity levels and ozone help mitigate pathogens. With proper environmental controls, your facility can promote overall wellness and safety. In addition to improving your bottom line and increasing customer satisfaction, you'll have good reason to feel secure in your TrialBreeze investment. The systems are built with quality components, operate safely and effectively, and are backed by the best warranty in the industry. To learn more about TrialBreeze activated oxygen technology, visit our website at corriganmist.com or give us a call at 800-462-6478. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.